Miracle Machines presents solar wafer cutting machine with AC panel or online UPS. Here we see the complete system. This is vacuum fixture for holding the particles. This is pump for a vacuum fixer. This is the switches for control the machine. And this is the lens for a focal point with dust collector. And this is all the control panel. And now let's start the machine with simple twist the buttons. This is the Z-axis with a motorized manual system. Now the machine is ready to go for cut a solar wafer. Now let's turn on the machine. A simple twist of the switches power up the system. This is the Z-axis with the key features for focal point. First, the operator carefully places the solar wafer on the vacuum fixer. The cutting process is initiated with a foot pedal. This solar wafer cutting begins. The laser will precisely cut the material into the desired shape. After cutting is complete, an electric pickup tool is used to safely remove the cut pipes of the fixer. The final product is perfectly cut and solar cells are ready to assemble.